How to unlink WhatsApp from Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Facebook to the latest version. Then open up Facebook on a device. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now simply tap on the profile name or profile photo. Now tap on edit profile. Now simply scroll down. Now next to links, simply tap on edit. Now tap on the WhatsApp. Now tap on remove link. Again tap on remove, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.